shoes that Jordan Brand wore while playing professional basketball are typically their best-selling items. Fashions such as the Air Jordan 4RM give classic design elements a fresh look that both casuals and purists will enjoy. With help from Nigel Sylvester, the restomod style was introduced, presenting Tinker Hatfield's creation in a modified form. While the tooling from the original silhouette is retained, the top undergoes several changes that are both recognizable and novel. Across the top half, a recently discovered light bone and white soft pearl makeover combines fabric overlays with plastic elements. All the components, however, are dressed in white, giving the Air Jordan version one of its most minimalistic styles to date. View the official light bone Jordan 4RM look. Before Christmas, the pair will be available on Nike.com and Jordan. Retail price is $150 US.